When Scrivener compiles a project, it stitches together all the elements in your draft folder and saves them in one of several formats. Tap the Compile button to display the compile screen. Tap File Format to choose a format: PDF, Word, RTF, or plain text. And tap Appearance to choose from several layout options. The two manuscript formats are designed to conform to industry standards, with 12-point fonts double-spaced. In the Page Options section, you can choose paper size. And you can enter a header and footer for each page. By default, the footer uses a variable to display page numbers, and you could add your name and the title of your work in the header section. If you toggle First Item as Title Page, the first file in your draft folder is used as a title page. You can create a file with the title and author of your document and place it in that location. Tap Compile, and Scrivener displays a preview of the compiled document. The icons at the top right of the screen allow you to print the document, save it to the Files app, or share it by email, messages, or other means. You can also compile part of your project. Swipe left on a folder, tap More, then tap Compile Contents. You have the same compile options as shown previously. Get Scrivener for iPad and iPhone from the App Store.